Sino ang salarin? Amampulo getaway ni na Kim at Paulo nag-leak. Nagbahagi ng larawan ng isang page na si Pinas Now sa kanyang Facebook page. Ng larawan ni Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino kung saan nagbakasyon nga sila sa Amampulo nitong mga nagdaang araw. Ayon kay Pinas Now, Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino's Amampulo getaway leak. Luxury privacy, lost in paradise. Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino's supposed luxury privacy took a surprising turn as photos of their exclusive Amampulo vacation surfaced online, sparking waves of speculation among fans. The stunning beachside escape, known for its seclusion and high-end exclusivity, became the center of attention as images of the two enjoying the Seren's Islands spread rapidly on social media. The unexpected leak has left netizens buzzing with questions about their relationship status, with many praising their undeniable chemistry. Despite the circulating photos, both Kim and Paolo have remained silent, keeping fans guessing. Their Amampulo escapade, though unplanned for public eyes, highlighted the challenges of maintaining privacy in the spotlight, even in the most luxurious of places. Narito naman ang samot-saring hanash ng mga Kim Pao supporters. Anyway, natutuwa ba kayo sa mga kumalat na larawan ni na Paolo at Kim Chiu sa naging getaway nila sa Mampulo. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.